what is an abstract class? So what is an abstract class? Abstract class काके बोले? Now a class which contains a minimum of one abstract method. So let me just create a class car. So a car class can have a name, string name, just blank name, nothing else. Now okay, name, let me my car. Okay, so this is a car class which has a instance variable name. Okay, so suppose a method, okay, void run method. So now if I write something there, car is running. Okay, so now that means our method is well defined. Okay, car is running. Another method, void car state, and I'm not defining this method. Okay, now what is the method definition? The method definition means that method must contain something inside of it, or inside of its body. Now if you see between the second bracket open close, whatever you write there, it is known as the body of the method, or the body definition of the method. So run method is well defined. Okay, run method is defined, but car state method, this is not defined, or this method does not contain any kind of body. Now this method is known as abstract method. Okay, so we can now call this method an abstract method. Abstract method means we will address something as abstract in Java. That means it is not defined, well defined. You can see it is showing error. Okay, that means this method is not defined, and so we have to declare this method as abstract method. Okay, so by using this abstract keyword, we are telling Javac, the Java compiler, that this method is not defined inside of this car class. So now why it is showing me an error? Okay, as because if there is abstract method inside of a class, you have to mention the class, or you have to declare the class also an abstract class. Now you can see there is no error. So let me just string name, let me just make it car state. Let me just copy and car state equal to running. Okay, so I can now print car state over here. So string car state defines that what is the current state of a car. Is it on running state, or is it in a stop state? Or we can just say not running, not running state. Okay, by default our car state is not running state, and in a void run method our car will be in a running state. Okay, so as we have declared our car state method, let me just change it to the stop method, so you can understand what's going on here. So as our car class has a abstract method, so we cannot create the object of this class, as because this class is not well defined. Remember that a class which contains the similar data types and the similar methods, okay, that means similar attributes. Okay, so the string car state, so car is a vehicle can run or vehicle can stop. So there is a string car state to indicate that what is the state of our car. Now our by default our car is not running, that means an idle state. And now in run method, if we call the run method, our car will be in running state. Okay, and this print statement will print our car state. And void stop method, what should this method do? This method should change our car state to the not running state. Now as this class is an abstract class, so if we try to create an object, as you can see, we cannot create an object. We cannot create an object of our class. Why? Because our class is an abstract class. What does this reflect? This reflect we cannot create an object of this car class. So in order to access a method, we have to create an object. How do we create it? We have to what? We have to inherit our car class. Class my car extends. Extend is a keyword for inheritance. Okay, extends car. Now you can see it will throw me another error. Why? As because we have to define this abstract method. Okay, abstract class, they are not well defined class. There must be one abstract method inside of an abstract class. So we have to define all those methods which are in an abstract form in the parent class. So now you can just override by writing void stop, but I am using annotation. Okay, so now void so now as you can see, all the errors are now gone. Okay, why? Because we are overriding this stop method as because it is in abstract form in the parent class. So now shout, we can just say car state equal to not running, and now we can print it here. Okay, so now my car class extends the car class. So my car class has all the features or all the methods which are available only in the parent class. So as our parent class is an abstract class, we have to inherit this class. As our my car class inherits the car class and defines the stop method. As the stop method was an abstract method in the parent class, the car state is changed to the not running and printing the car state. So now we can create the object of my car, new my car, and now we can print dot stop dot run. Let me just run my code. Not running, as because I have invoked the stop method first, not running, and now dot run method, then running. Car is now in running state. Okay, so this abstract void method is now overridden in the my car class. So this is how you can override any abstract method in the parent class inside of a child class of that parent class, as because this abstract class indicates that this car class or the class which has an abstract keyword, that class has to be inherited, and the not defined methods, that method which are in an abstract form, must be defined in the child class, so we can access the class or we can use the elements inside of a class. So this is how you use the inheritance property in Java, and this is how an abstract class and abstract method behave inside of Java.